Hello, and welcome back to Tutorials Arena. Today we will discuss MCQs on topic computer organization. So let's get started. In a pipeline processor, which of the following hazards occurs when the hardware does not support the execution of two different instructions simultaneously? The correct answer is option A, structural hazard. In a four-way set-associative cache memory, if the total number of cache blocks is 128, how many sets are present in the cache? The correct answer is option B, 32. Which DMA transfer mode allows the DMA controller to transfer one word of data at a time, after which it must return control of the buses to the CPU? The correct answer is option C, cycle stealing. Which register in the CPU is responsible for keeping track of the address of the next instruction to be fetched from memory? The correct answer is option D, program counter, PC. What is the excess bias value used in the IEEE 754 standard for single precision floating point representation? The correct answer is option A, 127. In a microprogrammed control unit, the sequence of microinstructions for a specific machine instruction is stored in the. The correct answer is option B, control memory. Which addressing mode is most suitable for accessing elements of an array where the index is increment after every access? The correct answer is option C, auto-increment addressing. Memory interleaving is primarily used to increase the. The correct answer is option D, effective bandwidth of memory. In disk scheduling, which algorithm services requests in the order they arrive in the disk queue? The correct answer is option A, FCFS. In a bus system, which arbitration method uses a centralized controller that receives requests and grants bus access based on a specific priority logic? The correct answer is option B, independent request. Which of the following is a characteristic of a RISC, reduced instruction set computer, architecture? The correct answer is option C, large number of general-purpose registers. Which cache write policy updates both the cache and the main memory simultaneously every time a write operation occurs? The correct answer is option D, write-through. In vectored interrupts, the interrupting device provides the processor with. The correct answer is option A, the starting address of the ISR. A carry look-ahead adder, CLA, is faster than a ripple carry adder because it. The correct answer is option B, generates carry bits in parallel. The translation look-aside buffer, TLB, is used to speed up the process of. The correct answer is option C, translating virtual addresses to physical addresses. If a pipeline has k stages and executes n instructions, what is the theoretical maximum speedup compared to a non-pipeline processor? The correct answer is option D, K. Which instruction format is typically used in stack-based computer architectures? The correct answer is option A, zero address instructions. In Booth's multiplication algorithm, what action is taken when the multiplier bits qn plus 1 are 10? The correct answer is option B. Subtract multiplicand from partial product and then shift. Which RAID level provides striping without any parity or redundancy? The correct answer is option C, RAID 0. The dirty bit in a cache or page table is used to indicate. The correct answer is option D. The block has been modified and needs to be written back. Which of the following control units is implemented using combinational logic gates and flip-flops to generate control signals? The correct answer is option A, hardwired control unit. If the hit ratio of a cache is 0.9, cache access time is 10 nanoseconds, and main memory access time is 100 nanoseconds, what is the average memory access time? The correct answer is option B, 19 nanoseconds. A raw read after write dependency is a type of. The correct answer is option C, data hazard. In which I/O mapping technique do I/O devices share the same address space as the main memory? The correct answer is option D, memory mapped I/O. The Snoopy protocol is a mechanism used to maintain. The correct answer is option A, cache coherence. Which of the following is true about CISC, complex instruction set computer? The correct answer is option B, high code density, smaller program size. Which page replacement algorithm suffers from Bilaty's anomaly? The correct answer is option C, FIFO, first in first out. What is the purpose of branch prediction in modern processors? The correct answer is option D, to minimize pipeline stalls caused by control hazards. In a direct mapped cache, a specific main memory block can be mapped to how many locations in the cache? The correct answer is option A, exactly 1. Which term describes the physical components and interconnections of a computer system? The correct answer is option B, computer organization. Thank you for watching.